Man, if you're looking for some Filipino food with the volume turned up all the way to 10, then look no further than Big Boy out in the Sawtelle Japantown neighborhood in Los Angeles, California. This sweetheart of a chef, Barb Batiste, is serving up buckets of Lumpia Shanghai and Filipino butters. The Filipino comfort food vibes are hitting different at Big Boy, where they serve it in big portions with big love. Alright, so let's get into the tasty deets. Here's my favorite items at Big Boy. Number 5 favorite item here at Big Boy is this big handsome bucket of Filipino spaghetti. I love Filipino spaghetti because it's got that sweetness to it. It got the hot dog slices in it, got the cheese on top. Now what makes Filipino spaghetti uniquely Filipino is the use of ketchup, sugar, and a meaty sauce that consists of ground beef and hot dog slices. Now the origins of Filipino spaghetti harken back to around World War II, where a shortage of tomato supplies led to the advent of banana ketchup, and the introduction of sweetness via sugar plays to the palates of Filipinos. Get it in this size so you can share with all the homies and just dig in. You get that sweetness, you get the saltiness of the bolognese, you get the hot dog slices, and you get the cheese on top. And it's beautiful. Number 4 favorite item here at Big Boy is their butters. They do this all house-made, and it's a pandan butter, it's an ensaymada butter, and it's a ube butter, all on this ube waffle. It is seriously incredible, the flavors of these butters, and they ship these out. You can buy them on their website. Look how pretty that is. It's insane how much flavor is in these butters, and it's got little pandan pieces on it. Incredible. Number 3 favorite item here at Big Boy is this bucket of Lupia Shanghai. Now if I'm at a Filipino party and this is being made, I'm sneaking up some pieces to myself as it's being made because they're that damn good. I could pop these like chips. Now let's just say lumpia is the cousin of the spring roll, and we could probably trace those origins back to when Chinese traders went to the Philippines way back when. These are so good, hand rolled every day at Big Boy. Number 2 on the Big Boy hit list of my favorite items here, the silog plate. Silog is one of my favorite things to eat on the face of this planet. It's basically sinangag, which is the C part, and that's garlic fried rice, and log, which is itlog, and that's the egg right here. And it comes with 2 proteins. I chose the homemade spam, they make it in-house, and the homemade longanisa. The rice is super garlicky like that. That's when you know it's right. And you got the homemade spam all thicky like. Again, go back for the scoop with the rice and the egg so that it's complete. It's just one whole savory party, man. It's a hearty breakfast, but that's how you should start your day. My number 1 favorite item here at Big Boy is this crunchy piece of fried chicken. You gotta dip it in the gravy. That's the crucial maneuver right here. And then just sink your teeth in this. Woo! It's perfect, man. Okay, so those are just my favorites at Big Boy, but feel free to check out the whole menu because everything is delicious. I'm Reach signing out, and don't forget to always let us know what we should hit up next.